Welcome everyone to Complete Mule 4 course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install AnyPoint Studio. Before installing AnyPoint Studio, we need to download JDK. Let us do that now. Okay, here say AnyPoint Studio download, and go to download AnyPoint Studio MuleSoft. Okay, immediately you see this screen. This is MuleSoft website, and downloads 30-day free trial. And here you're gonna just fill your first name, last name, email, company, any company. Just fill out your job title and phone number, and you agree and say download. But before doing that, there are here open JDK 8 is required, it says. So here it says download, so click download here. Okay, when we click in, we see here this one, and I want to just download open JDK 8 open JDK 8 LTS. So now we are going to download this part. So JDK 8 LTS. So we're gonna download that. If you use other platform, you're gonna click in other platform, and you're gonna choose this one. You're gonna just choose your platform here. For example, Docker, Linux 64, Windows 64, and Windows here 64. The other is 32. Now, for example, if my window is 64, and how I can know my window is 64 or not, just go to here at nearby start button. You have here, just say control panel. You see control panel, and clicking the control panel, immediately you have the control panel pop up, and click in system and security, and then system. Okay, you see my window is Windows 10 Pro, and the system type is 64-bit operating system. So in this way, you're gonna know where your window machine is 64-bit or 32-bit. And so mine is 64, and here I'm just clicking that. Immediately I see Windows 64. It says install JDK, install JARE. I want to install JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit, and it includes Java Virtual Machine, Java Runtime, and development tools. It's a full feature development tool for Java program. Any Java program requires to run the application JDK. So MuleSoft is AnyPoint Studio, or MuleSoft is built by Java. So in order to run the application, we need to have JDK. That's why we are now downloading JDK. Just click download JDK installer. Okay, out of JDK installer. Okay, let us go to here. We accept that, and yes, program file, adopt open JDK this hotspot, next, install, yes. Okay, now let us see our JDK on the program file. See program file. Okay, you see adopt open JDK, and JDK is here, And we have PC local DC program file. We have JDK. So what we do is see programming file, open JDK. Our JDK is here, and just like this. And after this, what we need to do is we need to set the environment for our JDK in order to just run our Java application. We need to set Java. Actually, you have to just download this one, install JDK installer, and we want this only at this time. So go to the command line in Power in the Windows shell. In order to find the command line for Windows, CMD. When you say that, command prompt here, and click this command prompt. Okay, now let us just say, for example, to check whether there is Java in our machine, dash Java dash version. Okay, actually it is already, we have open JDK version, this one, runtime environment is this, we have already Java in our 1.80212. So when we go here in 80212, this one is already in it. Let us just set the environment anyway. Control panel, system and security, and the system and system and advanced system setting. And after this, we need to set Java home here. Let us, in user variable and system variable here, let us just set Java home. In order to do that, click in new. Here must be capital and underscore home. And in order to just set the value, we go to our local C program file, Adobe Open JDK to this level. Just click into this level and copy this one. And Java home, put this is here. We already see program file, JDK, JDK 80212, and say OK. Okay, our Java home is set. And in system variable, again, we go to in system variable, in the path, actually by default is already by default we have the path C program file Adobe Open JDK. Already by default, whenever we just install, immediately automatically it is created for us, so we don't need to to worry about that. So C program file Adobe JDK, this hotspot, that is okay. That file is found here. For example, this is to this level, history bin, and just copy this one. When we see in the environment, you see the same thing. Program file Adobe JDK, this hotspot bin, so it's already set for us, so we don't worry about it. Let's say okay, and OK, and I close this, closing this. Now we already set up the environment for downloading AnyPoint Studio. Now let us go to downloading AnyPoint Studio. We fill all the requirement. Okay, first selecting operating system. Ours is Windows. Select 32 or 64 byte. You put your first name. I'm not just putting called. Okay, let me put your email here. Company Ethio Tech. Ethio Tech job title software where developer. Phone, you put your phone, and you need to agree and download. Now AnyPoint Studio is downloading. It's gonna take sometimes in order to download. Okay, now I think AnyPoint Studio is already downloaded. We're gonna go to download. And download, gonna see, you see here AnyPoint Studio Windows 64 bytes is already downloaded. And in order to extract, right click. Actually, in order to extract our file, it is good for us to download 7-zip. 7-zip, let me download 7-zip. Download 7-zip. Okay, we're gonna download this one. Okay, just you see here 7-zip. Go to download. Now we have the latest version, this 7-zip, and you need to see whether it is in Windows environment. And I want 64 byte for 64 byte. It is on Windows environment. So let me just download this one. Already, yeah, double click there, and next, accept the license agreement. Next, just say next, install. Okay, already I installed it. So go to AnyPoint Studio. Already 7-zip is installed. When immediately after installation, when you click in, right click here, you're gonna find 7-zip. So 7-zip and extract the file. Okay, extracting the file, easy for us if we download 7-zip. Now the file is extracted. Okay, the file is extracted for us here. You see AnyPoint Studio, double click it and copy this one, AnyPoint Studio, just copy this one, go to the C folder, go to this local disk C folder, double click that, and just put this AnyPoint, paste this one in local disk C. Paste this. Now you see. Okay, AnyPoint Studio is already under C, local disk C. So just double click AnyPoint Studio, and immediately you see AnyPoint Studio here, application. And in order to open AnyPoint Studio, just double click this one. Okay, actually two places open. Let's close one, and we have workstation. C user region, AnyPoint Studio workspace. We're gonna say this. We're gonna change if we want. So change this one to Mule 4. Let me say Mule 4 course project. Okay, Mule 4 project. and launch this one. Oh, now you see AnyPoint Studio is downloaded for us. Okay, here Window Defender acts allow access. If this kind of thing, just allow access. Okay, now AnyPoint Studio downloaded for us. If you don't have JDK and JDK is not correctly configured, you can't find this one. Now, welcome to AnyPoint Studio 7. Now we want this for new 4, and go to workspace. Just click in, go to workspace. Okay. Now AnyPoint Studio is downloaded for us. In the past, the workspace is Mule 4 course project at the top. You see Mule 4 course project. AnyPoint Studio, we already have AnyPoint Studio installed in order to build our application, test our application. For that purpose, we need this one, and it is a complete development environment. It is Java based, so we require this in order to proceed in our Mule 4 complete course. Thank you guys. See you in the next section.